How to dropship. Hello everyone, I'm Jason, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to start dropshipping for free. Starting an e-commerce or online store is definitely a good way to start making money online from the comfort of your home or anywhere in the world. Since 2021, retail e-commerce sales have amounted to approximately 4.9 trillion US dollars worldwide, and this figure is forecast to grow by up to 50% over the next 4 years, reaching approximately $7.4 trillion by 2025. Since the happening of the pandemic, e-commerce or online shopping has definitely grown worldwide, and it will continue to grow as persons are becoming even more comfortable shopping online, as you can see with the growth of Amazon and other e-commerce platforms. So there has never been a better time than the present to start your own online store. First thing that you want to do once you have decided to start an online store and you have done your product research, you need to find once you have decided to start an online store and you have done your product research, and by the way, a good platform to do product research on is none other than AliExpress. AliExpress is the platform that numerous persons use when starting to dropshipping. As with AliExpress, you'll be able to source products very affordable, and you'll also be able to find different shipping options. So all you'll need to do is go onto aliexpress.com. Once on aliexpress.com, you can browse around and you can decide the niche or category that you would like to be in, and you can search for different products, and based on the reviews that you see a particular product is getting, you can know whether it is a good product and whether you would like to try it out. Once you have decided the type of product or products that you would like to start selling online, the next thing is to decide the platform that you would like to build your dropshipping store on. There are a few platforms that are very popular. For example, I'm sure you have heard about Shopify. With Shopify, you'll be able to get started for completely free, and then you'll be able to continue using their $1 per month plan for the next 3 months. With Shopify, you get a free trial period of 3 days. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to get started. But the platform that I would recommend that you use is none other than Equin. And the reason why I recommend Equid is you can get started for completely free, and with their free plan, it is actually free for life. So meanwhile, with Shopify, you get a free trial period of 3 days, and then you have to start paying. With Equin, their free plan is free for life. The only pullback with the Equin free plan is you will only be able to sell 5 products, but you will get all of the features and so on to get started, and you'll be able to start selling your first 5 products. After you have added 5 products and you have started to get a few sales, you could go up to one of their paid plan, which would allow you to add up to 100 products. Or you could choose to change platforms and you could go onto Shopify or so on. But as a complete beginner, if you are looking to get started for free, I would recommend Equin, as more than likely you won't be able to get any sales on your e-commerce store within the first 3 days. That is highly unlikely. So more than likely you're going to have to start paying Shopify. So it would be best if you start with Equin. All you'll need to do is go onto equin.com, and again, you can sign up for completely free. You don't need a credit card or anything like that. Once you have signed up, and you can use, by the way, your email address, or you can use your Facebook or Twitter account to sign up, as you can see right here. Once you have signed up, you will be redirected to this dashboard. Once on this dashboard, what I want you to do next is pay attention to the left-hand menu option. On the left-hand menu option, I want you to scroll down and you are going to see apps. So we are going to scroll down and then you are going to tap on apps. After you have selected apps, you are going to select app market. Once you have selected App Market, you will be redirected to this page, and I want you to tap on Dropshipping. So we are going to select Dropshipping. After you have selected Dropshipping, these are the different apps that you can use for dropshipping, as you can see right here. The app that I would recommend you use, since we are getting started for completely free, is none other than SUP Dropshipping. So you are going to select SUP Dropshipping, then you are going to select Install App. Once you have done that, you are going to tap on Open App. And once you have opened the app, you will be redirected to this page. And with SUP Dropshipping, you will be able to source and add products from AliExpress. So you can see right here, this is the SUP Dropshipping dashboard. You'll also be able to maneuver your sales or delivery of products using this dashboard or this platform. To find products on SUP Dropshipping or to add products, all you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on Find Products. Once you have tapped on Find Products, you're going to tap on Imported Products. So let's do that real quick. After you have tapped on Imported Products, you're going to go back into AliExpress and you're going to search for the products that you would like to add onto your dropshipping store. So let's say, for example, I would like to add this particular product. Once I've found the product, all I will need to do now is simply copy the product URL. So I'm going to simply tap right here, copy the URL, then go back into SUP Dropshipping, and I'm going to paste the product URL right here. So you'll paste it right there. Then you're going to tap on Import Product, and you're going to give it a few seconds. Meanwhile, the product is being imported. Once the product has been imported, as you can see right there, acquisition successful. All you'll need to do now is hover over the product image, then tap on List It to Store. Once you have tapped on List It to Store, it is going to pop up right here. You can see the different variants. So you can scroll through and you can select whether you'd like to sell all variants. After you have done that, you can tap right where you see Set Price, and from here you can enter the price that you would like to sell it for. Another thing that you can also do is you could tap on Images, and from here you will see the different mock-up images. Then you're going to tap on Product, and you will be able to see the product description, or better yet, the product title. So you could edit the product title. So let's say I would like to cut down my product title real quick. I could do that. You can tap right where you see description, and from there you'll be able to edit the product description. Once everything is to your liking, you can also select the shipping method that you would like to use. And by the way, depending on the shipping method that you use, you can see that the shipping date will vary. So whether you'd like to use the standard shipping method that would take 6 to 15 days or 12 to 21 days, you can select whichever option suits you. But depending on the option that you choose, it will also affect the price of the product. So once you have done that, all you'll need to do now, you're going to tap on List It Now. Once you have selected List It Now, you will give it a few seconds to a few minutes, and it is going to add the product to your store. So let's give it a few seconds. You can see that it was listed successfully. Now all I would need to do is go back onto Equid. Once on Equid, I'm going to go over to the left-hand menu option, right where you see Catalog. I'm going to tap right there and select Products. After I've selected products, you should see the product that I have added. As you can see right here, here it is. So now all I'll need to do is simply tap on the product, and from there you can edit the product page to whichever way you like. Again, you can edit the description, as I would recommend that you use the preloaded description right there, and you can also change the price if you want. Another thing that you also want to do is you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option once more, and you're going to tap on Payment. After you have tapped on payment, you're going to need to set up the different payment methods. So for example, if you don't have a Stripe account, you will need to create a Stripe account. So you're going to tap on connect and enable. Then you can also set up your Square account. And if you don't have a PayPal account, you can also create a PayPal account. Or if you have one already, you can simply enter the information and tap on enable PayPal. And those will be the different payment options that your customers will have. And you can also access more payment options, as you can see right here. So you can tap on choose payment method, and then you can see the different payment methods right there that you can also add. As you can see right there are numerous payment methods. And if you would like to edit how your store looks, you could simply tap on design from the left hand menu option, and from there you can change the size of the product image and so much more. And you're also going to need to set up the shipping. So you're going to tap on shipping and pick up. Once you have tapped on shipping and pick up, you're going to scroll down and you can see shipping right here. You're going to tap on add shipping, and from there you can set up the shipping method. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.